Well, summer is now upon us and it's time to travel again. So those of you who want to fly and take your drone with you on a flight, you're probably going to want to watch this video because it's very, very informative. Let's go. Hi everyone, Steve from the Flyby guys. It's great to see you again. It's been a while. I've been traveling and I thought that me traveling was a good idea to give you some information about flying. So those of you who are going on vacation or holidays, then this is the perfect video for you to try to understand what you can take and what you can't take, what you can ask and what you shouldn't ask, because this is something that people ask all the time and I'm going to tell you all about it. So basically what I hear from some people is that they want to know which airline allows them to take a drone with them. Can they take lots of batteries with them? Or, will the airline allow that? Well, it's actually very, very simple, and that is that the airline doesn't care. Okay, the airline just does not care. So there's no need for you to ask the airline. It's the airport. It's going through security. That's the main part here. The only thing you should need to know is you don't put your batteries in your main luggage that goes into the hold of the plane. Everything you have goes into hand luggage. That's all you have to know. So there's no need to ask any of the airlines. Don't need to ask Delta, Lufthansa, British Airways, EasyJet, Ryanair. They don't care, okay? What's in your luggage is your business. As long as it comes through security and is actually verified, it's fine. So there are a few limits to what you can take. For example, if you're taking a power bank, then it should reach the minimum level that can actually go through security. So this, for example, is one of my most powerful, or let's say full, power banks, which is 26,800, and this is just on the level and no more. So this is something which I can take with me, but if it was any higher, I couldn't go. And I'm going to show you the calculations we use in order to check that. Your drone batteries, they're fine. You don't really have to worry about them. Don't take too many. Take about 3, 4 max, maybe even 5 if you can try. But don't take any more than that because they might take them off you, because they will check them going through. Every time I go through security with my hand luggage, because my hand luggage is always completely full with as much as I can take, I'm always dragged into security to just check it. But they know everything is okay, so it's fine. So I'm going to show you what we do with the calculations with the batteries, and you'll see here that we have a nice little calculation. What we use is milliamps per hour. So this is 26,800 milliamps per hour, and then you want to actually divide that with the nominal voltage. Or actually, not actually the nominal voltage. You actually have to divide that with 1,000, and what you get with that, you then divide that with the nominal voltage, and then what you get from that is the watts per hour, and the watts per hour should always be under 100. So this is like 99 or something. It is. So let's have a look at the calculation. So if we look here, it's 26,800. We divide that by 1,000. Always divide by 1,000 because that's how you start to get into the voltage section. So we divide 26,800 by 1,000, that gives us 26.8. We then divide 26.8 with 3.7, which is the nominal voltage you get from all of these, battery packs and whatnot. And then what you're going to get when you divide that is you'll get 99.16. So this is under 100. So this is the most maximum. So I've been pulled in a few times and they've looked at this and they went, oh, let me check it. It's fine because it's just under and no more. So anything, let's say anything over 27, and you're at the point where it could get taken off you. But your drone batteries are fine. I also have other batteries I take as well, so it's always important. So I'll have this image here so you can do calculations yourself and make sure that you understand, so that when you take your own equipment, you know what you can take and what's safe or not. So remember, don't put anything in the hold of the plane or your main luggage. Carry in your hand luggage. You can fly anywhere, all over Europe. You can fly to the US, you can fly to Middle East and Asia. Some countries in the Middle East I would be very careful with, like so if you go to Dubai or Abu Dhabi, be very careful because you can't fly drones there. And Qatar, always the same as well. Asia is actually fine, so I've taken drones into Asia and there's no problem. Africa can be a little bit questionable because they can take drones off you and you won't get them back. So be careful going there as well. Europe, US, absolutely fine. Take your drones and always make sure you fly safe.